Welcome to the top picks. The best green glow is probably one of the most effective and convenient ways to keep your houseplants looking vibrant and healthy, offering a streak-free shine that truly brings out the natural beauty of their leaves. This innovative spray not only cleans away dust and grime but also helps to condition the foliage, promoting a lush appearance and potentially deterring common pests. If you're looking to elevate the aesthetic of your indoor jungle and ensure your green companions are thriving, this product is a game changer that simplifies plant care while delivering professional-level results. Number 5. Miracle-Gro LeafShine, 8-ounce green. Is your plant's foliage looking dull and spotty? Bring back its natural beauty with this easy-to-use LeafShine. This water-based formula gently cleans and beautifies all hard-leafed plants. It won't clog leaf pores, ensuring your plants can breathe easily. Enjoy a fresh environment as this product is completely odor-free. Simply mist the leaves when they appear less vibrant. Formulated with mineral oil, it provides a protective layer that enhances the natural luster of your plant's leaves. Caring for your plants has never been easier. Achieve a brilliant shine with a simple misting application. What we like. This product is water-based and odor-free, making it a great choice for those sensitive to smells. If you have hard-leafed plants that tend to get spotty or dull, this is an easy-to-use spray that will restore their natural shine. It's ideal for regular maintenance when you notice your plant's leaves losing their luster. What people say. The shine lasts and no flaky build-up. It dries quickly and the shine lasts for at least a year. It doesn't leave a residue. Isn't greasy feeling. Just leaves a nice shine and cleans your plants. Number 4. Chrysal LeafShine Indoor Plant Spray. Discover the secret to vibrant indoor plants. This spray enhances their natural highlights, colors, and gloss, restoring their fresh appearance. Tired of dusty leaves? This product acts as an effective dust spray, cleaning away dust, water spots, and calcium deposits. It makes imperfections disappear and prevents future buildup. Preserve the life of your plants and flower arrangements. It creates a protective layer that reduces evaporation, keeping your decorations looking fresh for longer. An essential for florists, event planners, and plant lovers. This spray is a great addition to your flower arrangement supplies. Our Plant Shine Spray is silicone-based and non-oily, ensuring it won't clog leaf pores. It beautifies your houseplants while keeping leaves clean and shiny for up to 4 weeks. Using it is easy. Shake well, spray from about 14 inches away, and repeat monthly. Enjoy refreshed, protected plants with minimal effort. What we like. This spray offers a non-oily, silicone-based formula that creates a protective layer on leaves, keeping them fresh for up to 4 weeks. If you're a florist or event planner looking to extend the life and appearance of arrangements, or simply want your indoor plants to look their best with minimal effort, this is the one to consider. What people say. It gives your plants a professional look as if they just arrived from a florist. Applied to the leaves, the shine it gives is beautiful. It upgraded any plant. This is the best LeafShine product on the market that does not leave a sticky residue. You literally just spray it, no need to spray onto a towel and wipe each individual leaf. You don't even have to clean the leaves before you spray. My leaves were dusty AF and I just sprayed this bad boy on top of the dust and boom, shiny all leaves. Makes them look hella clean, borderline fake and no damage. Number 3. Chrysal LeafShine Spray. Enhance the natural beauty of your houseplants. Keep them looking fresh and hydrated with our special formula. This spray helps keep your plant leaves clean and adds a beautiful shine. It protects them for weeks. Enjoy vibrant, healthy-looking plants for up to 4 weeks. It's the easy way to maintain their appearance. Perfect for any of your indoor floral creations. It adds a touch of natural elegance to your home. Ensure your plants stay hydrated and protected. Achieve that sought-after fresh and glossy look effortlessly. What we like. Designed to keep plant and flower leaves clean, shiny, and protected for up to 4 weeks, this product adds a natural beauty. If you're looking for a long-lasting solution to keep your houseplants looking vibrant and hydrated with minimal reapplication, this larger-sized spray is an excellent value. What people say. This spray leaves leaves looking glossy and healthy. It effectively removes dust and grime, making plants appear vibrant. The formula is non-greasy and doesn't leave a residue. Number 2. Plants Cleaning Wipes for LeafShine. Introducing our plant cleaning wipes, designed to effortlessly remove dust and water stains from your plant's leaves. They are moist and gentle, ensuring a thorough clean. These wipes use mild moisture and 100% vegetable fibers to gently remove dirt and grime. They leave your plant's leaves with a beautiful, natural luster, unlike other products. Clean leaves are essential for healthy photosynthesis. Our wipes remove dust, helping your plants absorb maximum energy, even in low-light conditions. Keep your plants looking their best by wiping away dirt and grime. These wipes are the perfect solution for maintaining a healthier environment for your beloved plants. Perfect for indoor and outdoor plants with hard or broad leaves, these wipes are not suitable for fuzzy or prickly varieties. They are great for tropical plants like fiddle leaf figs and monsteras. What we like? These plant cleaning wipes are perfect for easily removing dust and water stains, promoting better photosynthesis and a natural shine. If you prefer a convenient, hands-on approach to cleaning your plants and want to ensure they get maximum energy, especially in low-light conditions, these wipes are a great option for hard-leaved plants. What people say. It makes my plants look so healthy and vibrant. The spray bottle is easy to use and distributes the polish evenly. My plants have never looked better, the leaves are shiny and dust-free. Number 1. Green-Glo Plant Polish 13 ounces. Give your plants an instant, natural shine. This polish enhances the look of both plant leaves and cut flowers. Tired of water spots and calcium buildup? This product effectively removes them, leaving a clean surface. It creates a protective, shiny layer that helps keep dust away. Enjoy cleaner-looking foliage for longer. By reducing water evaporation, it helps to extend the life of your plants and cut foliage. It's a ready-to-use spray that dries quickly. Simply spray and watch the transformation. What we like? This polish provides an instant natural gloss, reduces water evaporation to prolong plant life, and dries quickly. If you're looking for a fast-acting solution that not only makes your plants look great but also contributes to their longevity by keeping dust away and minimizing water loss, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. It makes my plants look so healthy and vibrant, like they just had a spa day. The spray bottle is easy to use and distributes the polish evenly without dripping. My fiddle leaf fig has never looked better, the leaves are shiny and dust-free. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.